This is the Genesis GV80. The Genesis GV80 is equipped with a convenient wireless charging system, allowing simple charging of Qi-enabled mobile devices. The wireless charging system is available only when all doors are closed and the vehicle is turned to the on or start position. The front charging pad can be found directly underneath the climate area. Place your Qi-enabled mobile device directly onto an available wireless charging pad, and the indicator lights will illuminate when charging takes place. There are two selectable types of charging indicator illumination lights. To select, press Setup, Vehicle, Convenience, and then Mobile Phone Wireless Charging Indicator. Type 1 will display solid orange indicator lights when charging is taking place. Type 2 will display sequentially blinking green lights when charging is taking place. It can be helpful to remove phone cases and ensure that your smartphone is positioned as close to the middle of the charging pad as possible. This ensures maximum charging capability as well as reduced heat conduction. On select smart devices, the cluster display will show a warning message if the device is still left on the wireless charger after the vehicle is turned off and the front door is opened. The wireless charging system can be turned off or on by pressing Setup, Vehicle, Convenience, and then Wireless Charging System for mobile devices. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos, and visit genesis.com for more info.